Hi, welcome to another video on Google Gemini. These days Google is adding more and more features into Gemini. So I just wanted to spend a few minutes on showcasing how AI Studio can be used easily by a developer with these new features. So one thing is, any setting that you do here in the run settings, they are reflected in this code.
Welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology.
For instance, in tools, if you say structured output and click on show SDK code, if you see here, generate content config response type application JSON. For example, if you turn the thinking mode and set thinking budget and click on this SDK code, you will notice that the thinking mode configuration with the budget is enabled. Same way in tool, if you want to add Google search, and if you click on this SDK code, do you see this? So this has the power to use Google search. So instead of using other third-party tools like DuckDuckGo, etc., here it uses Google search itself as a tool. And if you want to fetch a URL, tool content type, URL fetch. So when you are building your agentic application and if you want to fetch a remote URL, this makes it very handy. All built in within the Google ecosystem itself. Okay, then another interesting feature is the compare mode. So in compare mode, on one side, you can choose maybe Gemini 506 on the left side. On the right side, the latest 520. If you hover over this name of the model, you will know the cost involved. 506 has no thinking option, whereas in 520 has thinking setting. Knowledge cutoff 5-20-25. In this case, also knowledge cutoff 5-20-25. And here you have the code to choose this specific model, and this side you have the code, and you can see the changes. Thinking config, budget, and in this case, since there is no thinking option, you see the change. So this way you can use trial and error to get the best configuration that you need and just copy the code and put it in your application. That is what I wanted to highlight. And the run configuration, you can click this and set it. See here, 506 has less number of options, and 520, which is the recent, has more options. So that is it for this video. Please give your valuable comments and please remember to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.